The Samsung Unpacked event is around the corner, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 would be the highlight of the event. In addition to the Fold, we are expecting to see the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 announcements. In the past, the Galaxy Note series had an August release slot, but we haven't had a Note since 2020, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra replacing this line, leaving the launch slot for the Z series. Based on different leaks going around, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 would have a slightly different screen aspect ratio, slimmer and lighter build, new hinge design, dual-sided fingerprint sensor, and a new camera system from the Galaxy S22 line. Speaking of the price, it has been speculated that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could get a small price hike. On the other hand, a Korean source said that the price may just stay the same as the Fold 3. Nonetheless, you can now reserve your place to pre-order whatever phone Samsung announces on August 10. If you are planning on bundling your phone purchase with a Galaxy Watch and earbuds, you get a whopping $200 credit. And if you are just getting the phone, Samsung is offering a $100 credit. It is, however, important to note that it is only available for select markets. We are keeping our fingers crossed for the Samsung's official announcement, so please remember to subscribe to get the latest